Hey guys, Assalamu alaikum. Hope you all are doing good. Welcome back to my channel. So we have finally stepped into the new year 2021, and in this video I am going to share my new year shopping haul with you all. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. The first thing which we got for the year 2021 is Apple Watch SE. So one of our friends had visited Dubai recently and we got it through him from a duty free shop, and this Apple Watch is for my brother. He got it for himself. Just because we got it through duty free shop, it came in rose gold color. So I'm quickly showing you the unboxing of Apple Watch. As my brother was not satisfied with the rose gold strap, he wanted to use some other strap. So we visited Spencer Plaza because there are many stores in Spencer Plaza who sell Apple Watch straps. So we got a tempered glass done for him, and also we changed the strap. Also, please note that these straps are not the original Apple straps. They are the duplicate ones which we get in Spencer Plaza. So the second thing which we got for the year 2021 is a new ride-on for Zohan. He already has one, but just because he has grown up, the previous ride-on looked very small. So we got a new and a bigger one for him. This is basically a gift from my brother to Zohan.
Bismillah.
Zohan loves construction toys, so his mama made sure to get him something similar. So he got a loader car. There's a basket attached and there's a button. When you click the button, you can just unload the things from the basket and load it back. Hope you guys are enjoying the video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel still, please do subscribe and click on to the bell icon to receive notifications whenever I post any video. He got this from Baby Lou, which is there in Alwar Pet. I'll mention the address in the description box. Do check out. And this was for 2,100 rupees.
ये गिफ्ट कौन दिए सो? इधर देख अम्मी को देखो रती. ये गिफ्ट कौन दिए?
So I'm going to quickly show you like what I got from Miniso. So we visited VR Mall on Jan 1st, and obviously we had to visit Miniso because Miniso has been my favorite shops ever since it started and ever since I visited. So I'm going to show you like what I got from Miniso. The first thing which I got from Miniso is for Zohan. This is the baby blanket and it is of the size 90 by 100 centimeter. I'll open this blanket and show you the size, so don't worry. So I got this only for 250 rupees. It's in the shade grey, and also it has this cute lamb or sheep print on it. There were also 3 to 4 color options, but yeah, Zohan likes goat or lamb, so we selected this one for him. Next thing which I got is this cute headband. I wanted a facial headband for me, so I went on for this. I got this only for 150 rupees. The next thing which I got from Miniso is these slip-ons. This is in the shade blue and UK size 6. So I got this only for 190 rupees, a very sturdy slip-ons, and I really wanted a one. The next thing which I got are these socks. This is a pair of socks for 150 rupees each. It is ankle length socks and the quality is also nice. So I just love the cotton swabs or the cotton buds which you call from Miniso. I have been using Miniso cotton swabs ever since I started purchasing from Miniso. So yeah, this time also I got cotton swabs, but in the set of 3. So set of 3 matlab you have 300 pieces in this, nearly 300 pieces, and I got this only for 200 rupees. You had color option also in this, pink and blue. I selected pink. Then I got this face mask from Miniso. I have actually tried various brands tone up masks, but I wanted to try from Miniso as well because I have heard quite a number of good comments on this. So yeah, I got one. This is Rose Moisturizing Tone Up Mask. This tones up your skin, gives hydration and leaves a smooth and soft skin. This is only for 60 rupees, which is worth the buy. I'll let you know once I try. Then deos are really good in Miniso. So I have used 2 to 3 deodorants from Miniso. This time also I got a small deodorant from Miniso. This is for just for 90 rupees. This is like a travel pack kind of body spray. So I really liked it. It smells good. You also have various options in this, but I really like this one. It's called Miniso Twinkle Stones Deodorant Body Spray Sunset Purple. Then we also visited Spencer's Plaza for getting the tempered glass and the strap for the Apple Watch. When we visited Spencer's Plaza, we also found a beautiful kids shop, kids wholesale shop, or whatever you can call it as. I really liked stuffs in that particular shop, so we got few dresses for Zohan. So I'm going to quickly show you like what all I got for Zohan. First thing which we got for him is this shirt. I actually wanted half sleeve shirt for Zohan, and I really found this cute shirt. It's from the brand The Children's Place, childrensplace.com. So yeah, this is in the shade pink, mild pink, a very good material, soft cotton material, in the shade baby pink and grey. I really like this piece, so I took one for him. So totally I got 3 shirts for him, priced at 250 rupees each. And the next thing which I got for him is this blue color half sleeved shirt. This has the racing cars on it. He likes cars, so yeah, I got one. And then this is a kind of beachwear half sleeved shirt. It's in the shade white, and yeah, obviously multicolor shirt. I also like this piece, so I got one for him. All the 3 shirts are for 250 rupees each. Then I also got 2 t-shirts for Zohan, priced at 100 rupees each, just like you know how I used to shop in Bangalore. A very similar kind of shop I found in Spencer's Plaza as well. So I took a very small clip of the shop. I hope it helps you guys. The address of the shop and the details are mentioned in the description box. Please do check out if in case you want to visit that store. Then the first t-shirt which I got for him is this. It's in the double shade design and yellow with white with some writings on it. Then the second t-shirt which I got for him is this. Again double shade white and blue, fun in the sun. So I really like the material of both the t-shirts. Both are really soft and yeah, perfect for kids. Along with that, I also got 2 track pants for him. One is in the shade blue, yeah, Mickey print wala pant, and the price of each track pant is 200 rupees. This is one. I really like the design of this. The pockets are really good, and also it has Mickey. Zohan likes Mickey a lot, so I found one. And the another one is in the shade kind of olive green and grey के बीच में एक shade है. This is the one. This has cute animals on both the sides. Again for 200 rupees each. And I got 2 cute dresses for my friend's baby. This is just for a gifting purpose. So I got, first thing is this one. I got one cute frock. This is a casual wear. I have also got few other stuffs for her, but from this particular shop I got only 2 dresses for my friend's baby. One is this peach color frock, and the other one is sea green color t-shirt with a foil print message written on it. I am pretty amazing. I really liked it. This was for 250 rupees and this was for 100 rupees. Along with that, I also got a head tie, a headband for her. This was for 50 rupees each. I hope you guys remember my previous video where I had mentioned about the toy store which we visited in T Nagar. So right opposite to the toy store in Sri Shakti Plaza, T Nagar mein, there was one store called London Stores, basically kids wear wala store. So we happened to get 2 to 3 t-shirts for Zohan from there, which I have already used, so I'm not going to add that in this video. But yeah, we also got a night suit for him, and this is the night suit. He really loves this color and the print, so yeah, we got one night suit for him, this one, and we got this for 350 rupees. I also got one zipper for Zohan because the previous zipper which he was using is not in a good condition. So this is from the brand Mothercare India. Previously he was using Chiku zipper and that was an insulated one. I also wanted another insulated one this time because insulated ones are really good. So I got this from the brand Mothercare, and the original price of this zipper is 650 rupees, but I got it in 30% discount, somewhere around 450. And only disadvantage of this bottle which I did not notice while getting is the lid of the bottle. Yeah, you have to rotate it in the clockwise direction to open the zipper, and you have to rotate it in the anti-clockwise to close the zipper, which is actually okay if I use it, but if in case your toddler uses it, then your toddler may find it difficult to open by himself and close it by himself, whereas the up and down zipper wala lid is actually good for toddlers rather than this. So I regret not noticing this kind of lid, but I will definitely not recommend this product if you have a toddler who is less than 3 years of age. That's it guys, I really hope that you found this video helpful. This was a very short video of the things which we got on New Year, that is on 1st of Jan. So we got very limited things, and I really hope that you found this helpful. If in case you have any queries, do leave it on comment section. I'll help you out by replying to your questions, and also let me know in the comment section as what kind of videos you want to see next on my channel. So see you soon again in another interesting video. Until then, Allah Hafiz, bye bye.